Welcome to Eddie's Math. My name is Edward Hector. Welcome back. We are going to look at one of the important topics in mathematics, or concepts, I should say, in mathematics. The concept of the identity element. Now, we say give any number A if it combines in an operation with another number I to give the result A, then I is the identity element for that operation. Basically saying, if we have a number or a term, and when we go through an operation with another number, and the value does not change of the first term, that second number is what we call the identity element. We are going to look at it for addition. So we say we have A plus the second term I, it should give us A. So we want to find out what is the value of A for addition, I for addition. What is the value of the identity element for addition? So in this case, what number added to A will give you back A? The answer, as you correctly think, is 0. So for addition, the identity element is 0. Now let us look at multiplication. So we set out A times I is equal to A. So we ask the same question, what number when multiplied by A would give us back A? So the answer is that I must be equal to 1. So the identity element for multiplication is 1. So we can conclude. First of all, the identity element for addition is 0, and the identity element for multiplication is 1. Thanks for listening and watching. Make sure that you put these into practice. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.